1. So the problem we have is 256 plus 491. We are using mental math strategies, so the first thing you have to do is look at this calculation and think which strategy would work best. And often there's more than one strategy that you can use. So I'm going to start off with a bit of partitioning. So I'm going to do 256 plus 491. I'm going to break it up into its different parts. So 250 and 6, 490 and 1. Okay, so I've broken into this different places or values. Okay, now that I've done this, I can then add it all together. So I'll start with my hundreds. So 200 to add 400 is 600. 50 add 90, well 90 add 10 is 100, add another 40 is 140, and 6 add 1 is 7. We can then add those all together, so that would be 747. Okay. Now you can see when I'm doing this, I am making jottings, but I'm doing the calculations in my head. I'm not using the chimney method. Some people might do more jottings than this, some people might do less, that's totally up to you. Now I'm going to try this with one other strategy as well. 491 is really close to 500, and 500 is a tidy number or a friendly number. Okay, so what I'm going to do is 491, I'm going to take 9 from this side and I'm going to add it onto that. And that will now get my 491 up to 500. Now I have to remember, I've taken 9 from that to add on the 491 to make 500. That means that is now 9 less. So I'm going to write a little note, 247 is that value. Now I don't actually need to do anything else because 500 is really easy to add on to, so I'm just going to add this 247 straight onto the 500, giving me 747. Okay, now I can tell that I'm doing this well because my two answers match, which means that I've got an accurate answer. Okay, so that's two different methods. You might have used others, and that's absolutely fine if you did.